I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect the Leap Motion controller to an interactive flat panel. First, ensure your Leap Motion device is connected to your computer via a USB cable, preferably a USB 3.0 for optimal performance. Next, navigate to the UltraLeap website to download the required software. You will need to register an account to gain access to the download section. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation of the UltraLeap software package. This includes the Leap service and the UltraLeap control panel. After installation, open the control panel. It should indicate that your device is connected. Then, follow the on-screen prompts to calibrate your Leap Motion controller by moving your hands above the sensor. Now, ensure your interactive flat panel is properly connected to your computer, either as a primary display or an extended one. Adjust your display settings to best suit your needs, whether mirroring your desktop or extending it. The Leap Motion controller will now track your hand movements, allowing you to interact with compatible applications displayed on your IFP. For best results, connect your Leap Motion controller directly to a USB 2.0 or 3.0 port on your computer, bypassing any USB hubs. Remember to keep your hands within the optimal tracking range, typically between 5 and 60 centimeters above the device. If you encounter issues, restart your computer and check the UltraLeap control panel diagnostics. Also, for a truly hands-free experience at home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.